Welcome to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible classic motorcycles for sale, each carrying decades of heritage, passion, and engineering brilliance. Let's explore these timeless machines. 1. 1971 Moto Guzzi Ambassador V7750, $8,000, Carroll, Ohio. The 1971 Moto Guzzi Ambassador is a true piece of Italian motorcycle art. Powered by its iconic 757cc V-twin engine, this classic rides with the same spirit it had over half a century ago. With just over 11,000 original miles, it's been preserved in near-perfect condition. The cylinders remain strong, the compression excellent, and the overall aesthetic speaks of proper care. The owner proudly claims it runs just like it did 54 years ago when it first left the dealership. It's a clean, ready-to-ride piece of vintage craftsmanship, needing nothing but a fresh set of tires before hitting the open road again. For collectors, finding an Ambassador in this condition with a clear Ohio title is like finding a needle in a haystack. 2. 1981 Yamaha XV920RH, $3,500, Kingsport, Tennessee. This one-owner Yamaha XV920RH stands as one of Yamaha's most intriguing and underrated machines. Unlike the Virago, this model was only imported for 2 short years, 1981 and 1982, making it a rare survivor today. Its features were ahead of its time: air suspension front and rear, enclosed chain drive with lithium grease for maintenance-free riding, and a unique monoshock rear end that gave it a BMW-like feel. Even the speedometer is a period-correct relic of the late 70s and early 80s era, highlighted at 55 miles per hour with a limit of 85, as mandated during fuel crisis regulations. This machine comes with all its original extras, including factory tools, the original safety chain, owner's and service manuals, and even a Cycle World magazine article from 1982 featuring this exact model. For $3,500, this is more than a bike. It's a preserved chapter of Yamaha innovation. 3. 1997 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883, $1,800, Meadows of Dan, Virginia. This 1997 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 is raw, reliable American muscle at an affordable price. Recently fitted with a new carburetor, fresh tires, and a pristine tank, it's ready to hit the streets again. The EVO engine, especially from the late 1990s, is widely considered one of Harley's most dependable motors ever built, and enthusiasts often call the 1997 to 2003 range the golden years for Sportsters. For less than $2,000, you get a bike that's simple to maintain, built to last, and still turns heads with that unmistakable Harley rumble. The owner even offers a separate rigid frame setup for custom builders looking to create a classic bobber or chopper project. 4. 1978 Honda Hawk, Hondamatic, $3,000, Rutherfordton, North Carolina. This 1978 Honda Hawk comes with a twist. It's fitted with Honda's rare Hondamatic transmission. That means you get a fully automatic experience without clutch work, perfect for riders who want smooth, vintage cruising. The bike fires up instantly and idles strong, powered by Honda's famously durable twin-cylinder engine. It's been given a new battery and only needs a quick carb cleaning to perfect its idle. With its signature red tank and minimalist design, this Hawk stands as a reminder of Honda's willingness to experiment during the late 1970s. It's the kind of bike that blends accessibility, reliability, and classic charm, ready to ride home today. Five, 1998 BMW R1200, $4,000, Soddy Daisy, Tennessee. For just $4,000, this 1998 BMW R1200 offers legendary German engineering and long-distance comfort. With only 2 owners since new, it's been meticulously serviced, every fluid recently replaced, a brand new battery installed, and stainless steel braided brake lines fitted for improved braking feel. The R1200's flat twin engine is known for its bulletproof reliability and smooth torque delivery, making it a perfect choice for touring enthusiasts or collectors of late 90s European machines. BMW's design philosophy of function and precision truly shines here. A bike that's as comfortable on mountain curves as it is on open highways. A modern classic that's ready to ride, no trades needed. Six, 1974 Kawasaki H2 750 Mach IV, $15,000, Pfafftown, North Carolina. Now we enter legendary territory. The 1974 Kawasaki H2 750 Mach IV is one of the most iconic and fearsome motorcycles ever built. This beastly 2-stroke triple was dubbed the Widowmaker for its explosive power and lightweight frame. With matching engine and frame numbers, this particular H2 is an authentic collector's dream. Originality that guarantees its place in any serious vintage lineup. It runs beautifully, starts easily, and still roars with the untamed character that made it famous in the 1970s. For many enthusiasts, owning an H2 isn't just about performance, it's about possessing a piece of motorcycling mythology. At $15,000, it's a ticket to the golden age of raw, unfiltered speed. Seven, 1995 Triumph Speed Triple, $2,950, Kennesaw, Georgia. The 1995 Triumph Speed Triple is where modern British performance began. This clean, unmodified example reflects Triumph's rebirth era after Hinckley's revival. Its muscular design, minimalist frame, and signature round dual headlights gave birth to a naked sport bike legacy that continues even today. Driven just over 41,000 miles, this bike runs strong, handles sharply, and includes an extra seat and grab handle, plus rare factory manuals and tools. Collectors know that early speed triples are becoming harder to find in original condition, and this one captures that perfect mix of performance, simplicity, and timeless British attitude. Number 8. 1980 Suzuki GN400X Cathay Racer, $1,800. Wilmington, North Carolina. Originally a simple commuter, This 1980 Suzuki GN400X has been reborn as a handcrafted cafe racer. It features custom work, restored details, and that signature single-cylinder thump that defines vintage Japanese simplicity. The seller admits it's not perfect. After all, it's 45 years old. But it's reliable, fun, and undeniably cool. Included are a box of spare and original parts, plus service manuals for those who love to tinker. Whether you're looking for a retro daily rider or a weekend project with attitude, this GN400X offers style and history in one lightweight package. 9. 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead, $2,750, Ball Ground, Georgia. The 1973 Ironhead Sportster represents the soul of early Harley performance. This one features a right-side shift, electric start, and a fully refreshed setup, new clutch, S&S carb, upgraded ignition, and even a new generator. It starts easily, runs smooth, and sounds like pure American iron. Like most vintage Harleys, it has a little oil leak, but that's part of the charm. For less than $3,000, you're getting a bike that's been carefully gone through and is ready to ride with a clean title in hand. A classic Ironhead that reminds us why Harley's legacy endures decade after decade. Number 10. 1977 Honda CB750F Supersport, $2,500, Williamston, Michigan. The Honda CB750F Supersport was a game-changer, and this 1977 version shows why. It introduced performance upgrades like larger valves, higher compression pistons, and improved handling over earlier models. This particular bike is 99% original, even retaining its 4-into-1 exhaust. The seller recently rebuilt the carburetors and got the engine running, though it still needs some adjustment and brake service. It's been sitting for years and comes with an entire kit of new gaskets, spark plugs, filters, and emblems, everything needed to complete the restoration. At $2,500, it's a perfect winter project for anyone wanting to bring a true superbike legend back to life. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Which one of these classics would you take home? The thunder of a Kawasaki Mach IV or the charm of a Moto Guzzi V7? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more rare vintage finds.